Well, welcome lords and ladies to another Thrill Minute action-packed, exceptionally need to get it done episode of Twist Trails Riding Deep. So this afternoon finds me here at South View Trails in Cedar City, Utah. I just really needed to go for a ride. I only have an hour to do it, so I'm going to head up for 40 minutes and haul butt down, and supposedly getting back home in about an hour. So I'm going to call this one Bikotherapy because it's like psychotherapy for bikes. So I just need this. Got a lot of stuff going on in life and in the world, and really only my bike can solve that. So I'm sure you guys and gals understand. Without further ado, let's just get riding. So today finds me out at good old South View Trails, currently on Lava Link, which is at the top of Liking It. You'll find it there, and the goal is to ride for 40 minutes and then turn around. So my idea is to ride for about an hour. The reason I'm out here today, besides the obvious, it's late summer, early fall here in Cedar City, Utah, and it's fantastic. It's about 70 degrees, which is right about 20 degrees cooler than it has been for a while. So I am not looking a gift horse in the mouth. I just have had just a rough day. I work somewhere that they're forcing everyone to get vaccinated, which I don't know how you guys and gals feel about that, but it's a little extraordinary, to use a nice word, I think, for an executive of our country to command. That being said, just in case you're already hitting that unsubmit button, understand that I got my shot, my vaccine. I got the Johnson & Johnson when it became available a while back, because my wife and I have a young daughter that has severe asthma, so didn't want to take any chances, you know, and that's our choice, not to take away from anyone's experience. If you lost a loved one, I am sincerely sorry for your loss there. That really sucks. Yeah, we almost lost our girl, the young one I was telling you about, to a flu virus a few years ago, so I understand the fear there. So, and that's why we got vaccinated in our house. Definitely not a freedom that I feel like we should lose. That freedom would be the freedom of choosing what happens to your body. That's just scary. I've gone 4 miles. Heart rate is 95. Good times, good times. All right, I'll go another couple minutes, take a break. So one of the things I was talking about earlier, may have not got recorded, was I got some new tires, got a Maxxis Assegai 2.6 XO Plus Xterra, I believe is the compound up front, and I got a Specialized Butcher Trail Grid T7 2.6 in the rear, or Grid Trail rather, casing. That replaces the Maxxis Recon 2.6s in EXO that I had that were frankly subpar on a trail bike this capable. One of the bigger concerns I had was just this e-bike can get me out here so quick, so far. I really don't want too many flats, especially not a really bad one that could make me have to walk out with this 50-pound bike. Ow. You just have one of those days when your bike might be the one of the things that saves you from kind of going a little bit crazy. Today is one of those days for me. I'm very, very grateful to be able to come and do this. Thankful to live where I do, to have the bike that I have, to have a wife that understands me, at least does her best, you know. I don't like that people are being forced to do something against their will. Don't understand what's happening, to be really honest with you, and it bums me out. Yeah, at least we can go mountain bike, and that's good. Got that going for us. In the meantime, why don't I shut up and go ride? Let's do that. All that for nothing. Let's go ride. Did I mention that it's excessively pretty out here? Because it really is. So, love this bike. Again, this is a Cannondale Habit, in case you're just tuning in. I've ridden a little over 4 miles on this ride, and did that in about 30 minutes, a little over 30 minutes, about 32. This is where looking at the scenery can get you real hurt. So that'd be painful. We don't want that. So now we're off Lava Link. It is no longer a two-way. There's a lot of little jumps I'm not taking because I'm a big, gigantic wuss. Tire casing tester right there. Oh, my neck hurts so bad. Alright, we're gonna pull off here. Well, lords and ladies, just in case my battery dies on the camera, not my bike. Appreciate you guys, gals tuning in. Apologize for the political stuff, but it just it's weighing heavily on my mind. And as a former Marine, having deployed a bunch of times, I kind of feel like our freedom is something that I've invested in a little bit, and I hate to see it taken away. It sucks. So anyhow, please despite that, like the video and subscribe anyway. Please don't unsubscribe. That'd be terrible. So, because I appreciate you guys and gals. And I hope you have a wonderful day, wherever you're at and whatever you're doing. Take care. Yeet. Just what the doctor ordered, to be honest with you. That was absolutely epic.